Hey guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and reviews. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you two face products. So one is multi-function and cleansing face cleaner or cleansing instrument, and the other one is LED lighted mirror. So let's open this one. First open this cleaner. Face cleaner. So this is the face cleaner. Previously also I have used this one, but this one is this one comes with a charger, so you can charge it. It's not like a battery operator. The previous one I had one, that one is a battery one, so it was not that good. This one is the power one. So let's see. This is the charger, and this is the cover. So you can put it in the wall, I think. Okay. Yeah, this thing you can clip it in the wall. That's really good. And hang it in the wall. This thing. This way you can put it in the wall. So this is the face cleaner, and here is the button. Like first this one. So this one is the brush for clean your face. Let's turn it on. Yeah. So after pressing this one couple of seconds, it's working. Yeah, it works really well. And it has different modes, so you can change the mode by pressing this one. To turn off, you just have to press it a little bit. You can turn off this one. So let's change this one. This is a soft brush. Yeah, this is really good. This one is also the fine brush, which is like a really soft. Yeah, this is really good. And the next one is this one. This has some metal balls, so let's see. This is for the massage round. Yeah, this is really good because you can use it as a massage your face. Yeah, this is really good because I tried previously also this type of product, but that one is battery operated, so that is not that helpful because you have to change the battery regularly. But this is like really good, and this one is really helpful to massage your face also, and the brushes are also really good. So yeah, I would suggest you, if you are looking for a cleansing or face massage brush, definitely you can try this one. This is a really good one. It comes with this pouch, so here you can put this brush heads and use it as well. This is really helpful. Yeah. So the next one is this LED mirror, which is like 360-degree rotation. So let's open this. This one is from Conair. Let's open this one. Yeah, I was looking for a good mirror. This one I found it in Costco, so I got it in a really great price because there was some discount. So in case you guys are looking for some mirror, LED mirror, definitely you can check this one. This is really good for your makeup. I can fry. So here is the button. You can you can turn on or turn off here. Oh, there is only one button, so here you can turn on and turn off. Well, this is really good. Yeah, if you are looking for a good mirror, definitely you can check this one. This is because these are like brushed metal, and the build quality is also really nice. You can see your face very clearly, and for the makeup this is like a really great one. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.